Welcome to Embrace Yourself. My name is Kim, and today I'd like to demonstrate proper performance of a standing chest press exercise. I'm choosing to use 4-pound weights. You can use whatever weight you have at home, but I like to go a little bit heavier so that I get feedback to the chest without going so crazy that I feel a lot of tension and load in the shoulders. Realize when we're doing a standing chest press exercise, gravity is pushing down on us from above. So you are going to get extra work in those shoulders, which can make this exercise even more difficult. What I want you to do is take your arms out to the side so you've got a 90-degree position from the forearm to the upper arm. So I look at that 90-90 position. Now when I do this, I really have to pay attention to my core. Do I feel like I can hold these weights and not arch into that low back and flare my ribs? If I feel like I'm going to load into my back, what I prefer to have someone do is step 1 foot back, tilt their pelvis and kind of sink down so that they make sure that their core stays engaged and stabilizes that low back. So choose your leg position if you want it hip width and parallel, or if you prefer to go into that split stance. Then what I want you to do is go ahead and slowly reach the arms forward, and I'm bringing the weights together right about chest height. And then I slowly draw the arms back to that 90-90 position, but you'll notice I can see my hands in my peripheral vision. So what I don't want to do is draw the arms so far back that I end up putting a lot of torque and strain on that shoulder girdle. So from here, we just slowly reach those arms forward, hold, and then slowly draw the arms back to that 90-degree position. And I'm trying to keep my forearm, my wrists, and my shoulders all parallel and in alignment. So my elbow, shoulder, and wrist are all in the same plane of motion. The minute you do this, you are definitely going to feel shoulders, and you're also going to feel that chest. We just aren't isolating the chest muscle because, again, I'm doing this in a standing position, which means gravity is working this way. It is so much fun. You're going to love it. I don't go too crazy heavy on this because this is a lot of work. You're going to feel the muscles all the way through the forearms, the upper arms, the chest, and the shoulders. So it's a great exercise in addition to feeling that core. Now from a side angle position, and again, you can choose to go into that split stance or stay parallel, whatever you like. We've got the arms up, and you'll notice that my wrists are nice and straight. What I really want to watch for is that I'm not dropping the wrist or lifting it slightly. That's too much load on the carpals and metacarpals of the wrist. So we want to stay nice and long and make sure everything is straight. And as I reach those arms forward, I'm really having to engage my core so that I don't tend to arch into the back. So that's it. That's your home fun exercise for today, standing chest press, and I cannot wait to see what you think. If you're just starting out, maybe try with just a pound or two initially, because you are going to be amazed at the bang for the buck with this exercise. Please be sure to click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Make sure to ding the bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.